Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mahal Haponesa. Puntahan natin ang masarap at binabalik-balikan na Chinese restaurant sa Green Hills. Tara, let's go! Liching Tea House is a popular Chinese restaurant chain in the Philippines. It's affordable and delicious comfort food at established in 1986. Ang Liching Tea House has multiple branches across the Metro Manila, including Green Hills, Banawe, at Quezon City. Ang Liching Tea House, guys, located sa Green Hills Shopping Center sa Ortigas Avenue, at it also accepts using online food delivery platform like Foodpanda, GrabFood, and other local delivery services. Maraming pagpipilian na menu dito, guys, na talagang masarap at mabubusog kayo. Meron silang tough rice, like chicken mushroom, like spare rib rice. The dish are tender and flavorful, guys, at seasoned with a savory sauce. Meron din silang beef brisket, noodle soup, at kanilang bestseller, guys, na hakaw, chicken pit, congee, at mga noodle soup na talagang masasarapan kayo at kakaiba. Eto na guys, ang order namin. Naamoy pa lang ay nakakatakam na. Nag-order kami ng big jumbo siopaw na masarap kahit walang sauce, guys. Siksik ang laman niya at overload. Shark fin, sobrang crispy. At ito pa, guys, yung noodle soup nila ay napaka-savory at flavorful. At more beef talaga. Sa sauce pa lang, busog na busog ka na, guys. Ang best sa kanila, ang combination ng siomai at chili sauce na mapipil mo talaga ang vibe ng Chinese cuisine. Sa ambience pa lang nila, guys, talagang sobra-sobrang feel na feel nyo. Ang Liching Tea House ay the best talaga when it comes to a Chinese cuisine. Kaya talagang dinadayo at binabalik-balikan ang kanilang authentic dishes na flavorful at delicious.
Yummy!
Kaya highly recommended ko talaga sa inyo to, guys, na talagang ang menu nila at food ay hindi nyo pagsisisihan. At kung i-rate ko ito, guys, ay 10 out of 10. Kaya ano pang iniintay nyo? Tara, let's go! Kain na kayo! At take note, guys, ha, a Liching Tea House ay hindi kiliching, ng host ng unang hirit. Charot!
Wow!
At i-visit nyo na ang Liching Tea House, guys, para ma-experience ang Chinese tradition cuisine. Shoutout muna tayo, guys! Until my next vlog, guys. See you around. Love you all. Mag-subscribe na kayo kay Mahal Haponesa. Like, share, and comment.